Should you be aggressive, moderate, or conservative with your Acorns portfolio in 2025? That's the core question every Acorns user, including me, asks when the market gets volatile and we look ahead. It's not about which portfolio is best for everyone, it's about which one is best for you right now. I've spent time with the Acorns system, seeing how the different allocations perform, and here's my straight take on choosing the optimal portfolio for the road ahead. My first-person Acorns experience. I initially went with the moderately aggressive portfolio, which Acorns suggested based on my age and long-time horizon. My goal was simple: aggressive growth for retirement, since I had decades before I needed the cash. What I learned quickly is that aggressive means you have to stomach the drops. When the market dipped, my portfolio saw a bigger percentage loss than my friends who were in the moderate option. This is the simple reality of the different allocations. Aggressive/moderately aggressive, heavily weighted in stocks, domestic, international, small cap, and real estate ETFs. These are designed for maximum growth over the very long term, often 10+ years. They'll go up higher, but they'll also fall harder. You're leveraging time to smooth out the dips. Conservative/moderately conservative, heavily weighted in bonds, corporate, and government. These are for capital preservation and stability. They offer low returns but protect your cash from major market swings. Ideal if you need the money in the next few years. Moderate, this is your classic balanced portfolio, sitting roughly in the middle with a mix of stocks and bonds. It provides decent growth potential with less volatility than the aggressive options. 2025 Portfolio Recommendation. My recommendation for 2025 is to focus on your time horizon above all else. Market predictions are just guesses, but your personal timeline is a fact. Aggressive, if you are long-term. If your goal is retirement, 10+ years away, or long-term wealth building, and you're comfortable with volatility, the aggressive or moderately aggressive option is still the smart choice. Why? Acorns is built on the philosophy of dollar-cost averaging and time in the market. By using roundups and recurring investments, you buy more shares when prices are low, which pays off massively over a decade. The higher allocation to stocks offers the best chance to beat inflation and maximize compounding interest. My move: for my core retirement money in Acorns later, I'm sticking with aggressive. I won't need that money for 25+ years, so I can ignore the day-to-day noise. Moderate, if you are midterm or risk-averse. If you have a midterm goal, 3 to 10 years, like a down payment on a house or a new car, or if you simply can't handle seeing your balance drop sharply, moderate is the sweet spot. Why? It balances the stability of bonds with the growth of stocks. In an uncertain economic climate, this option provides decent forward momentum while minimizing the size of any potential downturns. It keeps you in the market without the roller coaster effect of the aggressive option. My move: for my taxable Acorns Invest account, where I might pull money out sooner, moderate is a sensible middle ground. Conservative, if you are short-term. If you're saving for a goal less than 3 years away, or if you are already in retirement and drawing down your funds, you should be in conservative. Why? Its heavy bond allocation means your principal, the money you put in, is largely protected. Growth will be minimal, but your primary objective here is not losing capital you need soon. You're trading high returns for high certainty. My move: if I were saving an emergency fund in Acorns, I would set it to conservative to ensure that money is there when I need it. The takeaway for 2025. The best Acorns portfolio is the one that lets you keep investing consistently without panicking and pulling your money out during a dip. For most young, long-term investors, that means aggressive. For anyone with a shorter time frame or a nervous stomach, moderate is a great compromise. Know your goal, set your risk, and let the automation do the heavy lifting. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.